Hey, how you doing? Austin here. In this video, I want to talk about the fact that Shiba Inu has a really big week ahead of it coming up. Today's Sunday. I want to talk with you, have a conversation. So we're going to have just a dialogue here real quickly. I want to update you on kind of the things that are going to be happening this week and looking beyond at some of the catalysts and things that are out there as well. So that's what we're going to do in this video, is just talk about Shiba Inu and the fact that it's got a big week ahead of it. As always, thank you for your support of my channel, my videos. I greatly appreciate it. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Also, if you're interested in my Patreon group, there's links below in the description and at the top comment. In my Patreon group, if you click on those links, you can see all the benefits and everything you get. You can join and cancel at any time. Also, I would tell you that in the inner circle level, you'll see it when you go click on that link, that I give you access to my portfolio, what I'm buying, what I'm selling. You see beforehand when I make any moves, as well as I'm incorporating hot crypto tips of the week. These are brand new cryptos and things that I see that I like, and those are suggestions that you can take action on as well. So if that's of interest to you, click down below and check that out. Okay, so it's a big, huge week for Shiba Inu. It is. Okay, so what's going on, Austin? You teased us a little bit. So we've got the biggie, the major one. So eToro has come out and said that tomorrow, Monday, which would be July 26th, they are announcing the cryptos that they're adding. All speculation indicates that Shiba Inu is going to be on that list. And it looks like it's pretty much a done deal. I've been saying this for a while, that I felt like eToro was going to really kind of beat everybody. And I think that they see this as a really massive opportunity to jump out in front of Coinbase, Robinhood, Webull, etc. Okay, there's about 20 plus million trading accounts at eToro. Also, what's really cool about eToro is that there's a tremendous amount of pent-up demand going on around eToro. I think that there truly is. And here's the other thing: they stand to gain a lot of new people that will want to use the eToro platform because of everything that's going on with Binance. Okay, so Binance is making a lot of moves that are not being very well received. You know, there's a lot going on in the UK related to Binance. You're not being able to use Binance to trade crypto, and it's a mess. And I've seen some of that with members that are in my private group that have, are talking about it in the Discord and things like that. So my point though is that I think that eToro is going to benefit from being a first adopter of bringing SHIB in. Is that number one, there's pent up demand already, people who already have eToro and they only want to use that exchange, right? So there's that 20 million trading accounts. There's that. So that's all those pent up demand. There's all these millions and millions of people that might want to definitely come on board and buy their fair share of SHIB. Also, you've got the situation where Binance is kind of doing its thing, and I think, because I've seen this personally, people in my comments as well as in my Discord, people talking about when it does go live on eToro, that there's going to be this massive influx of people who are just going to quit on the entire Binance thing and basically start doing a lot of their buying and selling on eToro. Again, coming, okay? So that's interesting, and that's a big catalyst. I do expect us to get a pump out of this, and I think that SHIB will definitely move up accordingly from that. No idea how much. There's just no telling. So right here, right now, with the overall kind of crypto market being flat, if just a little bit up, I mean, Bitcoin is really just kind of trading sideways right now. It's just trading flat, which is fine, okay? It's a neutral environment, if you will, right? I think that we could see a really nice pump from this. I will always be the voice of reason in the room and tell you that it's quite possible that we'll see, after that pump, we'll see a little bit of a pullback. We tend to get that. We got some paper hands holding SHIB. Don't sell. Not investment advice, right? But don't sell. Don't sell on these little minor things, Well, it's a major thing, but eToro is a major thing. I just said it was a minor. You know what I meant. But don't sell on these individual events is really what I meant. Okay, so that's eToro. Big week ahead for us there. Let's talk about Coinbase. Okay, I got nothing official coming out of Coinbase, but I am hearing some speculation. I have no specific name source I can point you at. I can't go, okay, I got it from this over here. But I am hearing speculation that Coinbase Pro might be, re-adding or allowing SHIB to be traded on their platform, which is the first step to get into Coinbase this week. I put this at a 50% or less probability. Okay, because what's going to happen here is Coinbase Pro is not going to make some major press release PR announcement. They're just going to add it and it's going to be there. That's all they're going to do. So that's interesting. Again, I'm putting less than 50% that this is in fact true, but it is a possibility. I'm hearing rumors that it is possible that Coinbase Pro, we will get let's call it reactivated, okay? So that you can trade SHIB on Coinbase Pro. And remember, we get activated on Coinbase Pro, everything goes well, which it will, then we get added to Coinbase and the app, okay, Coinbase.com and the app. And that's 56 plus million people that have Coinbase accounts. Pretty cool, okay? And again, same thing we just talked about for eToro. I think we got a tremendous amount of pent-up demand, people that only have Coinbase accounts, they only want to buy it on Coinbase and all that kind of stuff. Coinbase could benefit if they can get this moving forward. Coinbase could benefit even more from the outflow of people leaving Binance, because let's just say it, Coinbase has more coins that you can buy than eToro, right? So I think that Coinbase, personally, I think Coinbase sees what's going on with Binance and everything going on in the market, and they're like, we need to get this moving so that we can benefit from the whole Binance situation that is continuing to unfold, right? So I think that could be now. And again, that Coinbase thing, don't crucify me, hold me up if it doesn't happen. I'm just hearing rumors and speculation that we're at about a 50% chance, or maybe a little bit less, of that being a possibility this week. Okay. Outside of that, those are the two major things this week, which is more than enough. The eToro thing alone is enough, in my opinion. Okay, so that's this week. I think long term, we've got Robinhood, who really hasn't said anything about SHIB, but you got to know that Robinhood, they filed to go. They're trying to do an IPO, they're trying to go public. That takes usually about a year for that process, or I haven't looked at what their date is, but so you got to believe that Robinhood's going to want to be doing anything they can do to add more revenue and profit before they leading up to that, right? And so I think that Robinhood is definitely going to add it. I just don't know when. And then we got Webull, which is and Robinhood, I believe, had like 36 million trading accounts, and then Webull is out there as well. I think that Webull will bring it on after eToro does it, and Webull has about 11 million accounts in it as well. So across all four of those exchanges, there's 120 million trading accounts. It's crazy, crazy, crazy cool. All of those added up, I think, can definitely move us forward and propel us forward really, really, really nicely. And right now at the current levels where we're trading at like the 644 range, in that kind of narrow trading band we've been in for the last about 24 to 36 hours. I think it's a good level to be adding if you're looking to add to your levels or get in. Again, non-investment advice, right? But I think it's pretty low right now, and I think it could definitely move up more. So a big week again, with this everything going on with eToro. I think eToro is pretty much a done deal. Everybody's kind of nodding their heads in the room, going, "Yeah, we think that tomorrow, Monday, July 26th, eToro is going to make the announcement." And then again, there's less than a 50%, but I'm hearing some rumors and speculation that Coinbase Pro could be reactivated and bring us back on this week. Again, Coinbase Pro is just going to be a blank. It's going to be a little paragraph from Coinbase Pro coming out via their Twitter feed. We've reactivated and blah 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 blah. And I'll be here reporting on it when it happens, but there's not going to be a huge amount of fanfare from Coinbase Pro when that happens. And Coinbase Pro, you get added there first, and then you get access to the Coinbase, the regular Coinbase account. The Coinbase Pro, if you don't know what that is, it's their professional trading platform. That's where they onboard all cryptos through the new cryptos. They onboard them there first, and then they bring them over to Coinbase after everything is worked out and all that kind of stuff. So as I said, big week coming up for SHIB. As always, I'll be here. Thank you for your support of my channel. Take it easy. See ya. Bye.